Hey everyone, it's Adele and April from Just Say Scrap with Close to My Heart, and we are here with our 30-second Technique Tuesday.
Ooh.
So today's technique is something that we have talked about in the past, but we are going to go into more detail today about it. So we are going to show you a few different ways on how to use it, and it is using a triangle to catch your viewer's eye or to catch your eye. And it's just a simple technique that you can use throughout your scrapbooking or card making pages. So I guess let's show them because that's the best way to.
That's right.
That's the best way to explain it.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
So we're going to start today's technique. For the random stamping, you're going to need a few colors, between 2 and 3 colors of inks, and you're also going to need several stamps. With this technique, you can either use it to embellish your layout pages or cards, or you can use it also to make a whole background paper for your layout. I am going to start with our little stars here. They're in a little triangle already. We're going to focus on a triangular pattern. Oh, let me turn over my Versamat on the stamping side. And I am going to stamp it in our sapphire ink. And this is going to be the start of our stamping, so I'm just going to ink it up. When you do this, you want to start out and you're going to just stamp, and you want to go in a triangular pattern. And I'm going to do constellations, so I'm going to leave a lot of room. And if you notice, when I'm stamping, they create triangles. Doesn't have to be a perfect triangle. They could be off, I don't know what the names of the triangles are, but
Isosceles, obtuse, acute.
Yeah. Yes, it's been a long time since I've been in school, so. And let's see, we got to put some here. And
So although this technique is random stamping, this goes along with what we're talking about, the triangles.
Yes.
So this is just one way you can use the triangles.
Absolutely. All right, so we've used that color, and now I'm going to take another stamp that's a little bit bigger, not much bigger, or actually the star is bigger, and then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to stamp it, and I'm going to make sure that it's still in triangles, but they're going to be a little bit larger triangles. And this is done because it said that the human eye is attracted to triangles. And I'm just going to do one more right here. So you could see all the little triangles that are made with the canary and our little star. And now I'm going to fill in these spaces with our constellations. This is I love this stamp, this constellation stamp, because it makes a wonderful background paper, or you can use it on any of your layouts. It would probably work great with Stargazer. So,
It's still available?
Yes, it's still available. It's in the annual inspirations, so it will be available until the end of July. And when you're doing random stamping, you see how I've turned the stamp into different directions? That's what you want to do also. I know we're concentrating basically on the triangles, but I figured I would show you a little bit more. Oh, there goes the rest of the stamp. It has a lot of constellations on it. And let's see, when I'm fitting these constellations in, I'm not really trying to go in a triangular pattern. It's basically the very tiny stars and the canary stars that we put in there that you want to use that pattern with. And we're just going to finish it up here. And I'm going to turn
And remember while you're stamping to make sure that you're not getting any extra stamp ink on the edge of the stamp. Sometimes we have a cloth. I use my fingers a lot of times, but
so, and there you have it, our triangle stamping.
So I just wanted to show you a few different ways that we've used it for our Kit of the Months. So as you can see here, this one is one of our triangles as well. It's used a lot with embellishments. You can use it with 2 different or 3 different embellishments. So that's another triangle kind of pattern. Here we've used it with our Gimme Some Sugar corks, but as you can see, I'm using 2 different corks, but the corks are making a triangle pattern. On our Stargazer, we've used it a few times with the Stargazer Dots. We used it there. We used 1, 2, 3 there. We've used it up here, 1, 2, 3. And once you start to think this way, here we have it with the stars, 1, 2, 3, big stars. And here we've used it on Make Waves. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And once you start to get used to doing this, it will become second nature to you. Here it is with Chelsea Gardens. Once again, 1, 2, 3, with 2 different things, the hearts and the triangles. And also over here. And over here with our butterflies. And that is Technique Tuesday. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed. And thank you to all of our new subscribers out there. Thanks for coming on our journey with us. We hope you enjoy our videos. And I don't know what else. What else? Anything special? It's tax day. Woo! Tax day. Congratulations to all you accountants out there who finished your taxes, or all you people that have finished your taxes. We know my dad's happy. Yes. It's finally done. So, yep. And I guess that's it. I guess next Tuesday.
Next Tuesday. And we're getting closer to new products.
Yep, May 1st. So
you can't say anything.
Well, look forward for May 1st for our brand new seasonal expressions, and we are super excited about it. We love it.
Yes, we do.
All right, we'll see you next Tuesday.
Bye.
Shrink, woman, shrink. So it is going to be using a triangle technique. What is the actual official name?
Triangle pattern technique.
Okay. Silly accountant. Thank you.
Can I go? And that is from the boy upstairs. And I just wanted to show you what you could do when you're using that triangles.
That triangle?
That triangles. That triangular pattern. Sorry. I speak real well.